Well, heavens to Betsy. Hi there. It's me, Kathy, or y'all can call me Big Mama. Y'all will never believe what I caught in my backyard today. I saw none other than the big bad wolf. And let me tell you, whenever Little Red Riding Hood saw him, I had no choice but to pull out my shotgun and shoot him dead. But now we've got something to eat, and I'm cooking the big bad wolf into a meatloaf for y'all, Little Red Riding Hood style. Cut. All right, that's the take. That's the take. All right, some of the ingredients I have for you tonight. I've got some ground beef and some Italian sausage, because we're gonna do half and half. Half ground beef, half Italian sausage. It's gonna make for a really nice savory meatloaf. I've also got some breadcrumbs. I've got some seasonings. Oh gosh, damn it. Okay, I'm gonna do it right here, just give you guys, does everybody see it all right? Okay, let's get in there. So this is about a pound of hamburger. Oh, goddamn, give me a knife. All right, this is about a pound of hamburger. So I'm gonna put that in there, just like that. All right, and then I got sausage. And I'm gonna put this in as well. Get that paper out. Now I also need an egg. So we got an egg in there. Okay, and I'm just gonna get it all in there. Let's get it started before I dirty up my hands. I'm doing some spicy brown mustard. I don't know, I just always like mustard in there. So I give it a liberal squirt of mustard, and no, not like that liberal. Okay, let's also we're throwing in, this is garlic powder. So I just kind of throw out my hand like that. All right, so that's all garlic powder. And then I got some onion powder. Like I said, I'm very liberal with the seasonings. That's the only thing I'm liberal with, not my politics, so don't y'all even start. Now I got some Italian seasonings. I'm gonna put some Italian seasonings in there. I'm doing about, I don't know, a tablespoon or something, maybe more. Okay, now I'm very liberal with the salt. See, I just kind of do that so I can eyeball it. Now we got some salt in there. All right, I need a spoon. Goodness. Oh my goodness, and you know what? I need to get my oven preheating. Don't forget to preheat your oven. I'm gonna put it at 400. Okay, I got my oven preheating. Okay, now I'm gonna get some more garlic in there. Okay, and now I'm gonna get the breadcrumb. I'm rolling up my sleeves here. Big Mama's rolling up her sleeves. I'm about to get down in it. Okay, let me get these breadcrumbs opened up here. I'm very liberal with the breadcrumbs. You know, I just kind of eyeball it. I'm also gonna put in some of this glaze. You know, that's the thing with meatloaf. You can just kind of throw whatever in it, you know, that sounds good. And I just use my hands. You know, it's okay to get dirty with it. You know, I just get right up in there. See how I'm kind of just I'm mixing it. I'm getting it mixed. Mainstream media, whether it be the mainstream news or food networks or whatever you want to call it, they try to keep conservative women from succeeding. What I'm doing has never been done before. I'm a conservative woman and I am going up against big Food Network. I'm going up against mainstream Food Network, okay? It hasn't been done before. I'm doing this by myself. I'm making my own cooking show. They wouldn't give me a damn cooking show on Food Network. I'll show them. That's all straight butter there. All right, there we go. Y'all see what I'm doing here? Now wait, I'm not finished yet. I'm making this into a wolf's paw. That's the big bad wolf's paw. Now watch how I do. Oh, how the hell? So I'm just gonna take 3 onions. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shape them into toenails. Almost like a claw. See?
Don't let the killer get you!
All right, and I can just kind of push it in like
Barack
this.
Obama tipped
Look
$2.
at that.
I fully endorse Kamala Harris for President of the United States.
I don't give a hell what that man has to say. I don't. Get that man off my channel. Y'all need to stop with that shit. All right, now I'm doing another nail. Look at that, and I just kind of push it in. Oh my God, isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Big Mama's done it again. Big Mama's done it again, let me tell you. Isn't that so cute? And this would be great for a party. Oh, I bet people would get a kick out of that. They would get a kick out of that. Okay, now I'm gonna do this nail. Look at that. Isn't that darling? Oh, whenever that mainstream Food Network sees this, oh, they're gonna wish that they ain't Martha Stewart, Sandra Lee, Paula Dean, Pioneer Woman, Barefoot Contest. They ain't done nothing like this. They ain't done nothing like this. Oh, and I swear to God, if anybody copies my recipes and my ideas, I'll take them to court. This is my intellectual property. All right? So I dare you. Clear the way. Clear the way. Clear the way. All right, you guys, look what I cooked up. Little Red Riding Hood cooked up for y'all. The big bad wolf's foot. I'm so excited to get a bite of that meatloaf. I'm gonna give it a minute to cool. And I just wanna say that this is my intellectual property. All right, ain't nobody came up with this before. I'm the first one to do this, so if I see any of those bitches, Martha Stewart, Paula Dean, Barefoot Contessa, any of them. I don't care who. This is my intellectual property. And if the fake Food Network wanted my content on their TV show, then they should have called me back whenever I applied. They had their chance and they blew it, and now I'm doing my own show and I'm doing it my way. All right? Doesn't that look excellent? This looks so good, and I'm ready to eat. All right, I'm gonna give it a try. All right, here I go with the taste test of the meatloaf. Oh, it's seasoned very well. I'm gonna have to watch my sodium levels with this one. It's a little salty.
Turn out, Kathy.
Oh, it turned out excellent. Just how Mama likes.
You got a good texture on that meatloaf. It looks nice and
Oh my God.
it's not too crumbly.
I've outdone myself again.